pussy. I know that's right. If there is one solid thing that I've learned in my experience that I want you guys to apply in your life is that never date broke boys. Never marry broke boys. Never have kids with broke boys. Especially if you're a capable young woman who has her career sorted out, madiskarte ka, matalino ka. These boys don't deserve you, your attention, your money, nothing. Hindi mo trabaho to fix them, to put them on a pedestal, to set them up for success. That's not your job. Been there, done that, you would regret it. Date men that are on your level. Men who can pay for your dates. Men who can
Capable,
provide
tapos
for you. Men who
magpapalibre
are
ka?
as smart as you and are as brilliant as you. Broke boys,
Ito yung trap na sineset up ng mga capable, independent women, kuno, di ba? They are flaunting that I'm capable of providing for myself, but when it comes to dates, guys should pay. O, di ba? I thought you're capable. Then why should we not split the bill? You know what? There's nothing wrong with dating broke men or women. As long as that men or women is willing to improve alongside with you. Hindi sila yung magiging sakit nyo ng ulo. Now, dahil lang sa mas nauna ka or mas nakaangat ka sa financial capabilities mo or sa karir mo, does that mean magiging pasaway sila sa'yo? Not necessarily. Now, growing together, building together is the best adventure that you could go with your loved ones. Because you can celebrate each of their milestones and makikita mo yung mga paghihirap, yung mga perseverance nila into improving themselves while with you. Kaya yung mga tao ngayon, yung mga standards ng mga tao ngayon when it comes to relationship, umiikot na lang sa mga mabababaw tulad ng pera, kaseksihan, diba? Yung mga bagay na superficial. Nawalan na sila ng sense of value, sense of adventure, sense of improvement, sense of growth. At tinuon na lang nila sa pera at sa kaseksihan. Ang ending, yung ganyang klaseng mindset, pabubo. Yung gantong mindset yung mga Disney princess na eh. Trentahin na po siya, Disney princess pa rin mindset. Yung hindi kayang mag-solve ng problema. Diba? Hindi kayang makipag-ayos, makipag-usap doon sa karelasyon nila because ang gusto nila instant. Diba? Gusto nila pre-made, gusto nila yung gawa na, gusto nila yung maganda na at wala nang problema or challenges na kakaharapin. That's boring. It will bore me to death. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather have hard times together. Well, you follow the song, di ba? And that's love. Kaya nga eh, di ba? Yung wedding vows, di ba? In richer or in poorer. Hindi lang siya in richer. Di ba? Ito yung produkto ng modern feminism na kung saan hindi na nila alam yung sense ng buhay, yung values, at yung salitang pagmamahal. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.